Welcome people, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I am preparing oven bake Irish potato wedges. So I do hope you enjoy this video. So I use 2 Irish potatoes instead of 3. So I wash the Irish potatoes with salt, and now I am cutting each Irish potato into strips, thin strips, because I want them not to take a very long time to bake. And then I wash again in some water, and then I use a piece of paper towel to pat dry, because you want to get rid of the excess water. Season wedges with salt. I use about 1/8 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon vegetable oil. Half teaspoon complete seasoning. Half teaspoon Maggi all-purpose. And 1 teaspoon paprika. And you can use the seasoning that you want to use, and the last season that I use is seasoned salt with no MSG, and that is half teaspoon as well. I use a vegetable spray to grease a baking container, and then I place the wedges into the container. Make sure to leave space between each wedge. In the meantime, preheat an oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I spray a little bit of vegetable oil onto the wedges, then I put them to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit into a preheated oven for 35 minutes. The baked wedges are delicious. It's best to serve when they are very hot. And yeah man, this is my version. And remember to subscribe to my channel and click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video to this channel. Thanks for watching. What would until next time.